Hey beauty queens, so we're going to be doing a glueless install with this amazing wig from Dola Hair Mall. It's 20-inch Brazilian body wave lace front wig. It's 150 density. It's with an undetectable transparent lace. So if you guys can see, I just showed you how the lace looks. We're going to just go ahead and get it on so we can fit it and see how it is on her head if it's too big. And it's really fitting really good. I just want you guys to take a look at this scalp. It's already looking good and we haven't even done anything yet. We just putting it on her head. So she wants her sides to be really long on by her ears. So we have to make sure that this comes down to the front. Now this is always the tricky part about a glueless lace front. There's no way for you to get the tabs to stay down properly by putting a band. You can't put a band all the way to the front because it will not lay properly. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get your lace to lay the right way without using any adhesive. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so it gives you a little more leeway when you're doing your baby hairs along your ear part. So right now, I'm just cutting the ears out so that we can, customize it for her head. It's coming down a little bit over her ears, so I'm just going to cut this out. Well, not cut it out. I'm going to shape it around her ear. You guys should know that. Shape it around her ear so that it lays in front of her ear and not on top. So now here's our handy dandy elastic band. I use a soft elastic. I do not use the hard elastic because it rubs on the hair. It's very, very harsh on the hair. So I use soft elastic. So I just sewed the elastic to the inside of the wig. And then I placed the wig back on her head. So now we're just cutting all the lace off. So if you notice, the lace is going to be a little bunched up on the sides because that's the part where our ear tabs are that we want to come down in front of her ear. But along temple to temple, the wig is secured in place. It's not going anywhere. Let's just take a closer look so you guys can see. Everything is stuck but that one part. So we're going to go in on the other side and we're going to cut the lace just like we did with the other side. So now we have to get these sides down. So we're going to take some Got2be Gel, the gel in the black bottle. You do not have to use the gel. You can also use the spray. I just like using the gel better. So I'm going to put a little bit of gel in front of her hairline where the lace is in the front. And then I'm going to blow dry it so it gets a little tacky. And then I'm going to stick the lace down on top of it. Just these two tabs, just the ear tabs. You're not going to put it in anywhere else. You're only going to put it on the ear tabs. After that is done, we're going to go switch to the other side and we're going to do the same exact thing. The wig came pre-plucked with baby hairs. It's already looking amazing. But you know, no one person is the same. So I'm going to go back in a little bit and I'm going to do a little more customizing for her. And then I'm going to show you guys how to lay the baby hairs down. So after you've plucked everything, we're going to take our handy dandy Nairobi foam wrap. This is something that you must have, not just for lace, but for a lot of different styles, because this product is very versatile. You can use it for a lot of different things because it's not heavy. It doesn't leave the hair hard. It's just amazing. I love Nairobi. This is not the first time that you guys have seen me use it, but it is amazing. So this is what we're going to use to lay our baby hair and also slick down our hair in the front so that it looks really, really natural. Not just the hair in front for the baby hair, but the hair that's actually on the lace that's further back. So you can get the natural look where it actually looks like their scalp. Just remember, you've put gel on, so you have to be very careful not to pull on the lace too much. She's going to go under the dryer after this is done, so everything is going to completely dry. But you need to get those baby hairs in place. So you want to just, be very careful as you're laying the baby hairs down. If you see me, I'm, being very gentle, laying them down nice so the lace doesn't lift. And like I said, she'll go under the dryer afterwards so that everything can dry. But look at how it's coming along. There's nothing along her hairline besides the 2 air tabs. That is just the elastic band that's holding everything in place so nice. Okay, now let's continue. We're moving on to the next side, and we're going to do the same thing to this side. Your baby hairs is really up to you. You don't have to do baby hairs if you do not want to do baby hairs. It is just at your discretion. She loves her some baby hair. So we always, for the most part, do baby hair for her. Now I'm going to put the foam wrap all the way across so I could comb everything back and it'll be nice and flat. She wants a middle part, so I'm going to part it down the middle, and I'm going to put some more foam wrap in the part so I can get that part flat as well. Flipped everything away so you guys can get a better look at the hairline, and now it's time for her to go underneath the dryer. This should take maybe about 10-15 minutes just to let everything completely dry before you do the comb out. That dryer is no joke. It gets hot. So now we're going to take our clips out, and then we're just going to take our comb, and we're just going to comb. So there's more than one thing that I like about this wig. I love the lace, that's one. And then the curl pattern, it just looks so natural. We're not going to do anything to it. We're going to leave it as is. We're not going to do any crazy styling. We're not going to do anything like that because I want you guys to see how the hair looks. It already looks done. That's the thing about buying virgin hair. It already has a wave pattern to it if it gets wet. So your hair basically pretty much always looks done. But look at how we could pull this back and put it right back in place. So you will be able to take your wig off every night. When you place the wig back on, you would just have to do your ear tabs all over again. And that is it. Your baby hairs will stay in place and you will be able to put it back on. She is loving it. I'm loving it too. But let's throw a little butterfly braid in there. Let's see how this looks. Y'all remember how to do the butterfly braid, right? You just pull and loosen the braid to your liking. I'm just going to pull it out to where, you know, I like it. She doesn't have to leave the braid in if she doesn't like. But I just want to show you guys how you can still style it whatever way you like. And you will be fine with the wig. Your wig is not going to fly off your head or anything like that. It's in place. And that is it for the transparent lace frontal wig from Dola Hair, 20 inches, Brazilian hair texture. It is amazing. I will leave all of the information in the description bar for you to purchase. Use the discount code YouTube for you guys to get 10% off. I'll see you guys later.